Welcome to our comprehensive guide on tips for Etrade margin account. A margin account allows you to borrow money from Etrade to purchase securities, which can be a powerful tool for investors. However, it also comes with significant risks, so it is essential to understand how to use it effectively. First, let us start with the basics. A margin account is a type of brokerage account that allows you to borrow money to buy securities. The borrowed amount is known as the margin, and it is secured by the securities in your account. The key concept to understand here is that you are essentially using your securities as collateral to borrow money. To get started with a margin account on Etrade, you need to apply for a margin account and get approved. The approval process typically involves a credit check, and you need to have a minimum amount of equity in your account. Once you are approved, you can start using your margin account to buy securities on margin. One of the most critical tips for using an Etrade margin account is to understand the concept of margin calls. A margin call occurs when the value of your securities falls below a certain threshold, and you are required to deposit more money or sell some of your securities to meet the minimum margin requirements. To avoid margin calls, it is essential to monitor your account regularly and maintain a sufficient amount of equity. Another crucial tip is to use margin wisely. Margin can be a powerful tool for investors, but it can also amplify your losses. It is essential to have a solid understanding of the risks involved and to use margin only when you are confident in your investment decisions. A good rule of thumb is to use margin only for a small portion of your portfolio and to have a well-diversified portfolio to minimize risk. In addition to using margin wisely, it is also essential to understand the fees associated with a margin account. Etrade charges interest on the borrowed amount, and the interest rate varies depending on the amount borrowed and the type of securities in your account. It is crucial to factor in these fees when making your investment decisions and to have a clear understanding of how they will impact your returns. Finally, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the risks involved with a margin account. Margin accounts can be subject to significant risks, including market volatility and liquidity risks. It is crucial to have a well-thought-out investment strategy and to be prepared for potential losses. In conclusion, a margin account can be a powerful tool for investors, but it requires a solid understanding of the risks and rewards involved. By following these tips and best practices, you can use your Etrade margin account effectively and minimize the risks associated with margin investing. Remember to always monitor your account regularly, use margin wisely, and have a well-diversified portfolio to minimize risk. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can unlock the full potential of your Etrade margin account and achieve your investment goals.